Google has launched more digital well-being tools on YouTube, including a feature that shows users how many hours they have spent watching YouTube daily. This feature is available for both Android and iOS users. Let's have a look and subscribe my channel for latest tech info. Open the YouTube app on your Android or iOS device. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap on Time Watched to open the Statistics tab. The Time Watched feature gives you an exact dashboard view of how much time you have spent on YouTube by mentioning daily average time and weekly statistics. That's it. You are done.